You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you pronounce this phrase from French? Mon vieux, it can mean two different things. Can designate my old man, so my father, mon vieux, but that's a bit familiar. It's also more like an expression to say, I don't know how, to an exclamation, let's say, oh, mon vieux, oh, wow, that's quite impressive, mon vieux. Mon vieux is how you say it. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.